Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Welcoming Window Stamp Set and Window Flower Box dies. This bundle is found on page 58 of the brand new January-June catalog, and I also have an online class offering for this bundle. Now, the bundle and the class is the same price, pretty much $78.20 plus tax. That includes shipping. It also includes 6 card designs, one each of 6 designs. It includes all consumable supplies for 6 cards with envelopes. It includes a free gift. It includes a free card kit of the month. It includes an exclusive tutorial bundle with amazing designs. And it also includes lifetime access to the classroom, which provides excellent high quality video tutorials and bonus media. Plus, it entitles you to 1 celebration item. So if you're interested on how to register for this class, please head to the description bar below. There's going to be a little link that says my newest online class. Click on that. Scroll down a little bit until you see the picture and fill out the information, and I will be in touch. However, today I'm going to share with you a fun and unique way to use some ribbon and some pattern paper and this particular stamp set to make a beautiful Mother's Day card. I had some technical difficulties filming this card. I want to say that I have used Smoky Slate to stamp out 4 of the windows, and I'm using my mini cut and emboss machine here. You can see the platforms 1, 2, and 2 that I'm using. It is so cute, so very light, and it did really quick work of cutting out these lovely little windows. So what I'm trying to create here, I'm masking off the window part of the window, like the stamp lines. I'm just using Post-it notes here, coming in with soft sea foam, which is a very pale green for the flowers. And I think this is Purple Posy, and I realize that Purple Posy isn't a color anymore. I'm probably the only one that didn't have an issue with the ink formulation. So what you can do if you want to get a similar color is just stamp off Highland Heather. So ink up with Highland Heather, stamp off, and then stamp on your project. You'll get the exact same tone as Purple Posy. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is create the illusion that the flowers are on the outside of the window. So that's why I'm masking off. I'm coming in with the ink, the soft seam foam ink and the Purple Posy ink, and creating flowers that would look like they're on the outside of the window. I want everything so kind of, I don't know, soft and breezy and tranquil feeling. I'm also twisting those bushes to make them look like different bushes all the time. Now I end up only using 3 of the windows on the front of the card, and I use 1 on the inside of the card. So I didn't waste anything. This is some playing with pattern designer series paper, and I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure what the measurement here for that designer series paper. I know it must be 5 1/4, well, maybe 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And then I used also a piece of vellum to go over top of that, and that was just a quarter sheet, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And I wanted first of all to make the vellum more than the paper, because I still wanted that easy breezy sort of ethereal feeling for this card. I also stamped in Gorgeous Grape, which is pretty much the same color, the same tone as Highland Heather, and it's just darker. And let's see, I arranged the windows on the vellum so that they had equal spacing. And the one the sentiment was stamped on the middle one. I'm putting adhesive on the back of the windows, and that's how I'm adhering the vellum so you don't see the adhesive. I'm also coming in with the 3/8 inch tricolor ribbon. Sorry, my lips are rented. 3/8 of an inch tri-colored ribbon. This is the purple variety. You will find this in the annual catalog. Perfect colors to use on this card design. And it's also my mom's favorite color, to be honest. So she loves purple. So she's probably not watching this video, but she always comments on my blog, but she never watches the videos. You know, she's got better things to do with her time. She's 84 years old. She's got lots of stuff to do. So I tied a bow here, and you know that I took at least 15 minutes tying that bow since I cut off all the footage. I'm also trimming off the ribbon as well, and I am going to just fold this baby in half, and that is my share for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.